How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer money from your Visa card to PayPal. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So more specifically, I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer money from any bank, but in this case Visa, to your PayPal business account, as well as your personal one. So what you guys need to do is quite simple. And as you can see here, there's a guide provided by PayPal themselves on the steps that you need to take to actually make the money transfer. So you first want to make sure that the money from your bank is eligible in accordance with PayPal. So in this case, if it's Visa, then it's 100% eligible. So all you guys need to do is you can either log into the PayPal app on your phone, or you can go to their website. And once you've logged in and you find yourselves in the dashboard, you want to click on Wallet, and there should be an option to transfer money. So once you've selected transfer money, you want to click add money from your bank or debit card. So this will actually bring up a list of all of the eligible banks that work in accordance with PayPal. So here we'll select Visa, or more specifically your Visa card, and hit next. So this will take us to a new page where we'll be entering the amount that we want to transfer from that bank into our PayPal business account. So once you've entered that and you've reviewed the details, you have two options. You can either choose in seconds with debit, or in 3 to 5 days with your bank. So this one is totally up to you, but everything here should be automated, and you guys will receive an email once the transfer completes. And yeah, that's basically it. So essentially just follow the on-screen instructions and you guys should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.